Hi, I'm Zachariah Gioio. I am going to teach you about solutions, also known in Chapter 14. First, I'm going to teach you about the process of dissolving, and also why substance dissolve in water. So, onyx solids, like salt, dissolve in water because H2O is polar and is able to surround the negative and positive ions. Polar water dissolves in other polar substances like salt, sugar, and ethanol, when nonpolar substances do not dissolve in polar substances like oils and fats. And nonpolar substances dissolve in other nonpolar substances because they're both nonpolar and they both go together. So next I'm going to be talking about solutions. And a solution is a homogeneous mixture in which all the components eventually mix, like soda, salt water, juice, tea, and even air. So say there's like a water and a salt. You want to mix that. So water will be a solvent, larger amount, and salt be a solute, a smaller amount. And when you mix it, you'll get, I guess, salt water. Also, there is a difference between a saturated solution and an unsaturated solution. A saturated solution is a solution that contains a maximum amount of solute that will dissolve of that temperature. An unsaturated solution is a solution that has not reached the limit of solute that will dissolve. And also, there is diluted and concentrated solutions. So diluted solutions will relatively have a smaller amount of solute, and a concentrated solution will have a larger amount of solute. So, as you can see, when you take salt and you pour it in there, then you mix it, once your salt water is done mixing for about a minute, you have your solution. Now, your salt is the solute, the smaller amount, and your water is your solvent, which is a larger amount. So, after mixing, you have your mixture, your solution, to be exact. And let's give it a try. Tastes really bad. And there you have it. So, what I have here is milk. So milk is an emulsion. It contains fat in an aqueous solution. So, milk is technically a solution and an emulsion. So both. Now, I'm going to show you molarity. So molarity is the most used term to describe the concentration of a solution. So, molarity equals the moles of solute divided by the liters of solution. And that will get you the concentration of the solution. The solute is defined as the substance being dissolved, like the salt, in the water. And the solvent is a substance where the solute is dissolved, like the water. So, I'm going to teach you about mass percent and how to understand it. Well, more like how to calculate it. So, mass percent is also known as solution concentration because it's the percentage of how concentrated it is. And if you want to, you have to divide the mass of the element by the total mass of the compound and multiply it by 100. Then you will get the mass percent of the element. You can solve for the concentration or volume of the concentrated or diluted solution using the equation M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2, where M1 is the concentration in the molarity, moles over liters, of the concentrated solution. V2 is the volume of the concentrated solution. M2 is the concentration in molarity of the dilute solution after more solvent has been added, and the volume of the dilute solution. And a neutralization reaction is when an acid and a base react to form water and a salt, and involves the combination of H plus ions and OH negative ions to generate water. So for example, acid HCl plus base NaOH over to water H2O plus salt NaCl. And for all you didn't know, the neutralization of a strong acid and strong base has a pH that is equal to 7. So, I hope you have a better understanding of what solutions are. Anyways, thank you for watching, and have a great summer.